Today we are going to learn cranial now in most easiest way. So let's start. Number 1 is olfactory nerve. Number 2 is optic nerve. Number 3 is oculomotor nerve. Number 4 is trochlear nerve. Number 5 is trigeminal nerve. Number 6 is abduction nerve. Number 7 is facial nerve. Number 8 is vestibulocochlear. Number 9 is glossopharyngeal. Number 10 is vagus. Number 11 is accessory. And number 12 is hypoglossal. Now let's learn the trick to keep it in mind forever. So first we will write sum, then we will write say, then M for marry, then M for money, B for but, M for my, and then B for brother, then S for say, and then B for big, and then B for brain, and then M for matter, and M for most. So here S is for sensory and M is for motor and B is for both sensory and motor. So olfactory is sensory, optic is also sensory, oculomotor is motor, trochlear is motor, trigeminal both, that is both sensory and motor, abduction is motor, facial is both sensory and motor, vestibulocochlear is sensory, glossopharyngeal is both sensory and motor, vagus is also both sensory and motor, accessory is motor, and hypoglossal is motor.